Here we have a Warwick bass guitar, and this guitar is an active guitar. It has battery inside, and in this video I am going to show it to you on how to replace the battery connector. Because the problem of this guitar, the connector is damaged and it has corrosion on the connector, and the negative wire was detached, and we are going to locate where this wire is being connected. First thing first, I have to check the battery. If the battery has still the volts is okay, I am going to use my digital tester. I set it to DC volts. Okay, my digital tester is already set to DC volts, and let us check the battery volts. The positive side is over here and the negative side is here. Let me check, and the volts is 9.48 volts, meaning our battery is still okay. I will just set this aside, and let's go over here to the connector. Okay, so usually the negative wire is being connected to the ground of the potentiometer or on the output jack. The positive is over here, and let me cut this or remove this cable tie, because we need to see the positive line in order for us to replace the battery connector. Cable tie is out, and the positive, okay, the positive line of this connector is over here. Yes, over here. Just be careful, guys, on this part, because maybe you can install, or you maybe install the wire incorrect, and possible problem, the board will get damaged. Okay, this is the positive line of the connector, and I do already have here the replacement. So let's find out where is the connection. I am going to set my digital tester to continuity mode. If you heard the continuous buzzing sound or the beep sound, meaning our line is connected. Like for example, I have metal here. Metal, if I test this, meaning we do have connection. If I put here and the insulation, we do not have connection. So this is an idea only for some out there that don't know or doesn't have an idea about the digital tester of the continuity mode settings. Okay, let's continue. So the positive line is over here, and let us check the continuity where it is being connected. Okay, so the positive line is on the on this type of connector, and for sure the negative line is over here, the round one connector. Positive is here and negative is here. Let us confirm. Maybe some factory have a mistake and we cannot rely for them, so we have to make it sure that our connector that we purchased is okay. So positive line is over here, like on this connector. The positive is over here and the positive is must be here. Let me check. Yes, it's the same. The positive connector is here and the negative is here. Okay, this wire is okay to install, and let me remove this wire, the red wire, which is positive. Let me remove. Okay, and we are going to install the new connector. And before I install, let me remove this first, and we are going to use this, or we are going to replace, maybe replace. Okay, we are going to replace that. I have here a shrinkable tube. I'm going to cut in half, and before we solder this, I have to insert it. So this wire and this red wire is connected, and also the battery connector wire, we are going to connect it to the same line connection, and I will put it here underneath of the wire. So positive is here, and I am going to twist this together. Okay, let me add I am going to peel off this, at least we can get more. Okay, yes, and also this one I will cut the original one and then strip the wire, and we have a good connection right now, the good solder part, twist, and here we are going to solder this wire connected to each other like this. Let me add solder first on this wire. Nice. Okay, and then we have to solder it together like this. It's up to you how you solder this one, but mine, I am going to solder it like that. Okay, solder. Oops, sorry. I need to align it properly so that our solder is clean, and to put the shrinkable tube fitted on this connection. Okay, done. And our connection is secure, it's tight, solid. And then I'm going to install the shrinkable tube, and to get a better fitting you have to hit it, this shrinkable tube, to shrink. Actually, you can use, if you do have lighter, you can use the lighter to hit the shrinkable tube. Okay, our shrinkable tube is already fitted to the solder connection, and next is the negative part. So the negative part is, I'm going to show it to you because I saw the one connector here, the output jack. It has 3 pins. One pin is for the output, and another one pin is for the ground, and another pin is for the switch to the ground. Let me confirm if it is correct, and I have here a connector for the PL jack. I have PL jack, and I am going to insert it to the output jack, and let's see this connection, the connector. This is the ground, and this part or any of this we must have like connection like switch. So if you heard the beep sound, meaning it is connected. Okay, I'm going to start here. So this is not the line for the switch. Let us move on the other pin. Okay, so this is the negative line or the ground line that related to the switch when you inserted the jack. Okay, let me remove the jack and let us check again. So now it's open, meaning this is the switch, the line switch that we must connect the negative or black wire that connected to the battery. Now that we confirmed the line where this black wire is connected to that pin, I am going to solder it right now. First, I am going to add solder on this wire, and then let me solder it to this pin, which is related to the negative line, and it's already soldered. Now, to make it this durable or tight and it will not remove again, I am going to put cable tie over here, cable tie, to secure the connection or to hold the wire not to loose again. Okay, I will just install this cable tie to hold the wire securely and cut the existing part. So if you move this battery, battery connector, it will not detach the other side. And of course, I am going to put another one over here. We need to secure these wires. If you are new to our channel, thank you guys for visiting our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated in our next video. To all my supporters, thank you so much for continuing watching our video. Thank you for the continuous support of our channel. Our wirings is already secured and tight, and let us test the guitar and we will see if it will work. Okay, I am using the same connector or the jack, and I have an amplifier here. As you heard that there's sound. I'm going to install first the battery. So battery, be careful on this, because if you put the battery on a reverse polarity, maybe the possible cause will get damage the board. And let me install it back on the battery holder. Okay, and let me insert the PL. Our PL is already inserted, and let us check the audio volume. Wow, nice. Meaning our connection is correct. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and God bless us.